Hello, my name is Adam. I'm a product manager at Windward, and I'm going to show you how you can save time and reduce risk by automating documents for output from Salesforce with Windward. To start off, I'm going to show that we have here a dynamic Windward template. This is an invoice template that will have Salesforce data populated into it dynamically at output. And we're going to start off by uploading this template to our Windward hub. Now I have a couple other templates I'm going to upload alongside with it. I'll go ahead and click Upload Template, select our template out of the File Explorer, and I'm going to specify that for this invoice, we're going to be outputting from the opportunity in Salesforce. So I'll put it in the opportunity context. I'm going to upload one more template that is some static information that I want somebody who I output this invoice for to also receive. That is our About Windward document. This is information about the company. Again, outputting from the opportunity context. And now that I have both of these documents in Hub, I need to put them together in what we call a package template so that once they're output from Salesforce, they'll be delivered as one package. These are the two items that I want somebody to receive when they output this invoice. I'll go ahead and give this a name, your invoice package, an invoice and info about Windward. And since the About Windward document is static, we don't need to add any information here. Since the Windward invoice is dynamic, we'll go ahead and give it a name, your invoice. If I can spell, there we go. And I'll give it an output format. Let's go ahead and select docx. We also have PDF and HTML as options here. The unique ID I can leave separate, leave unfilled. This is going to be specified dynamically when I come out of Salesforce, so I don't need to specify a default value there. And for the delivery method, I'm going to say none. Let's go ahead and output this, and since we don't specify delivery method, we'll be able to retrieve it out of the Hub portal. I'll click Create, and we're done creating our package template. If I go ahead into Salesforce, I'll go to our Dickinson Mobile Generators opportunity here, and you can see that I have custom buttons here in Salesforce. As it were, this Generate Report Prod custom button is what's going to this instance of Hub. You can configure those buttons per our tutorials with whatever names you like and configure them for your Salesforce. And I'm brought into Hub where I can select from a list of package templates that I'd like to output for an opportunity. For this instance, I've only configured your invoice package here. I'll go and select this package that we just configured. I'll go ahead and click Run. And we'll see that now we've clicked Run, our output is triggered, and we're going to be alerted in the portal when our output is finished, and we'll get our output documents populated dynamically with data. So now that our output is finished, I'll go ahead and click View. If I'd like to download all these documents together, I can click Download here on the right, and I'll get a zip with all my documents in it. If we go ahead and open this, we're expecting our About Windward.docx to be our standard static About Windward information. All good here. And we expect your invoice to now be populated dynamically with all of the data from our record in Salesforce. Notice that we have the correct quantities, the correct products, and their individual unit prices, and we're dynamically calculating the total per product and the total cost. If data in Salesforce changes, like for example, if a new product is added to this deal, let's go ahead and add a product. So I'll go ahead and select 750 kilowatt generator, click Select, and we'll say, how about we're going to get 3 of those, and we'll go ahead and save that change. Now when we go to Hub, clicking our Generate Report button here, and request our output of the same package template, we'll see on generation that our new data is used dynamically in the template. There's no hassle of copy and paste. There's no risk of making a mistake when editing the invoice. We just have all of the data as we've specified in Salesforce output in our output document. And here we go. We've added our 750 kilowatt generator, quantity 3. We have new updated total costs. We have the cost of the new generator included, and everything is good to go. I hope you've enjoyed this demo of how you can use Windward in combination with Salesforce to generate consistent and risk-free documents using document automation. Thank you.